Hello everyone, good morning, happy Holi to everyone. So today I am covering the SQL interview question and answer which I got from one of the correction from the LinkedIn, and they face issue while building the query. So today's session we are trying to answer the query based in interview question and answer. So in the query sometime interviewer want to confuse you on the joins case statement, or they will give you some sample query and you have to write a query and get the output, right? So today we are going to cover that part. And if you are new to the channel, my name is Ravi. I think you guys knows. In this YouTube channel, I am covering three major part. One is for Power BI interview. This channel for interview perspective. So one is Power BI tech tool I'm covering. Second, I'm covering real time question from Azure Data Factory or Azure Data Engine. You can say both. So I'm majorly covering Azure Data Factory, Databricks, and your ADLS scenarios based. And SQL, we are covering both side interview on theoretical part and the query part. So today's video is totally dedicated for SQL Server interview question answer, where I can give you the questions on the in the meantime in the video, and I'll write the query in front of you, and you will get the answer how to achieve it. So today we are here with the question about joins, queries data, case statement, and sometimes people ask question about cricket match scheduling query, right? How you write the query where each team will get a should play match with at least one of the team, and it should be not a repeated one. Okay, so I hope you understand. Suppose I have three queries, right, where I have India, Sri Lanka, and Pakistan. So India should play the match with Sri Lanka and Pakistan, and Sri Lanka should play match with India and Pakistan. But India Pakistan already being done, right? So you hope understand the query. So if you are new to the channel, please hit the bell icon, share this video as much you can, so people understand how question being asked in these time on real time scenario wise. Okay, so let's directly jump into our actual question and answer series. So let me open the notepad where I capture all the question and answer. So let me open this one. Okay, how we achieve it. So for that I am going to use, I'm going to use the online SQL editor. Okay, so how you do that, you have just copy the link. Okay, so let me give you the scenario. So this is a join. Okay, so what interview wanted to understand. So in a table A, I have a column, and column have value called 1, 1, null, 2, 3. Okay, and table B also have 1, null, and 3. So you have to write the query which give me the inner right and left. Okay, so I already created a video for this join. Okay, so but I give you a high level definition. So query wise, I think you guys understand what to do. Just replace here right, left, and inner query. I just give you the result set of. Okay, so result set. So might be they wanted to give you both column, or they wanted to want a table A data. So I'll cover both the point. Okay, for the inner join. Okay. So if you know the inner join, you will set, what I'll get A from ID and B from ID. So AID, where it's coming from, is coming from table A. So one going to, you have to keep in mind from where you're joining. So inner join is the concept of where each data match in both the side. Okay. So let's take example from the table A. So we pick table A on real time and join with the table B. Okay. So one is going to join with one A, right? So here I get one and one in both the side, correct, because we have both. Now again we get this one, and can we join this with second table? Yes, get joined, right? I hope you understand, there is no confusion. So let me try with condition C. We have null. So keep in mind, null never join with the null. This is just the anonymous values. Okay. So this null won't join with this null. Okay. Table B null it won't join. So it get collapse. Now we get two. Do we have two in table B? We don't have, right? But we have a three. So we'll pick three and it will join with three here, right? So we get the three for inner join. So I hope you understand how the inner join works. correct? Let me give you the left join, and I hope you can understand and make a join for me on the right join. So it's just a vice versa. I'll just explain how left join works. So let's do the same pattern. And keep in mind, the A is my left table here and B is my right table. Okay, so let's join with left table. So one is going to join with one. Is correct or not? Correct, right? Let me do that. One, 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 right? And again we have one in left join, so again we get a one, one. Okay, so I given two one here, means one and one get joined here, right? Null. So I mentioned null will not join with the null, but this null from the left. So what is the condition for left join? All the data from the left table should be appears and matching data from the right, right? So this null won't join, but will capture data from this null. Okay, and if null not joined, what will happen? I'll get null, but this null come as anonymous value. This again a random value I'm getting because it's not joined. Okay, just keep in mind like that. Okay, null, right? And again we have 2 and 3, right? 2 won't join, 2 won't join, so we'll get what? We get null and we get a 3, and 3 joined with 3, right? This is my left outer join. So I'm not going to cover a right join because this is just opposite of your left join. So I want you guys to practice and give me the output. Just create a table on your SSMS or what database you're using and give me the left right join output in your comment box. So why I'm going to tell you, because you can do practice and you get understand how data is flowing. So this question for you to complete the right join for me. Okay, let me get the second question, you know. So people given me this query, okay, where I have captured that, and what they wanted to swap the gender for me. Okay, so let me give you the data here. You can see employee table, I have male, female, so I have this data. Okay, just keep in mind. So what I have to write, I write the query where my gender gets swapped. Okay, so what I do, I'll do select, I'll do star for safer side, and I write a case statement. Case when gender gender equal to m, then make it as f. Else, so all the male converted to f, right? Now what I wanted, else do m. So I hope you understand here what I am doing. So what from where I am doing, I am doing it from employee table. Let me run the query. So now you can see I just swap the gender. Okay, you can see I have female, so I converted it to male, and where I have male, it converted to female. So it's quite simple, but sometime interview wanted to track you down, means I try to confuse you. So you can use simple case statement where you can convert your data with particular string. Okay, I hope you understand this question as well, to swapping the gender, right? So let me get you another question where I have this one. Okay, this is a quite interesting question for me. Okay, so let me create the table and give you the data first of all. Then I will give you the question what they wanted to achieve from you. So let me run the query where I get the data. Okay, so data is called colors, where I have, yeah, I have colors data. So what interview wanted to first value of your output would be always y, then you want to sort data based on your characters. So y can't be sorted, it always comes first and then it will be sorted. For example, what I want, y always 1, then I get b, then I will get A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, G, O, R, W. That's my sequence, right? If I sort it, how it works. So let me get you simple sort statement first. Select star from colors, order by what I wanted, order by colors, DESC. Okay. So let me give the output. So you can see what I want ascending order, right? I want to sort the data. So now you can see why it goes last, right? But I wanted why come first. Okay, in first digit in place of B, then it gets sorted like B, G, O, in same pattern. So this is a tricky, I understand. If you think any other possible way you can do it, but I can show you one way how I find the answer. So, I want to ignore sorting for Y. So what I can do, and you know how blank value works. If you do the sorting of sending the your Y, blank value come in the top. Okay. So what I'll do, order by, right? I want to do order by. I'll do replace color Y blank bracket. Let me run it. Let me see the query. Now, you can see what I have done. Y is coming blank, then it gets sorted. So you know what I have done? In the column of Y, in colors column, find the Y and replace with blank. So blank always come in the sort and in the ascending order. Okay. So this is your answer. I hope this is a very normal question, but finding the answer in real time, that will be helpful for you to get better understanding. Okay, so that's why taken this question to get you answers. Let me take a new more scenario where I have to do which one I need to arrange the my math scheduled. Okay, so let me create this table. Okay, let me give the teams. So you can see I have matches where I have team column where I have India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, and New Zealand. Take example of that, or Namibia. So now I want to write a query which give me match with each country at least once, and repetitive not allowed. Okay, you understand, like India have match with Pakistan, Pakistan have don't have match with India because we already have India's Pakistan, right? Vice versa is there, but at least each team will play each match with other country at least once. Okay, so already written the query for you to don't waste the time. Okay, because it's quite simple. You have to make a inner join on top of it. So I'll just make a little bit of space, you can understand. Okay, so I just taken two alias you can call it self join. I can alias and I just check same data not appears, means a dot team is not equal to a b dot team. Okay, suppose I have a column A on left side and same data right side. A just do with A is ignored because it's match, right? A go with B, A dot go with B, or A dot give A as A N, right? And it go vice versa, and data should not be repeated. Let me run the query if it forgive the output. So now you can see India versus Pakistan has done. Let me see, do we have Pakistan versus India? Yeah, we won't have. Correct. You can see all data is unique and distinct value is giving. So you have to just understand, we have to use self join and check data is not equal to your b dot data. Okay, that's the question for this one. So let me take another question where I'll take same data from the employee table. Let me go to the employee table. So now if you see the employee table, where is gone employee table, right? So now let's take an example of ID column. So what enter you understand, if one is a pair, then I have to print once. Suppose it's a two, then I have to print two. Okay. So let me give you this example. So now, what is output? You can see, suppose data is 1, I have to print as 1. If it is data 2, then I have to print twice. If data is 5, I have to print 5 times. If it is 3, thrice, right? You understand the pattern. So, this is a quite nice question, but don't confuse with your looping concept. I think you heard that, right? So don't be confused with your loop. You are going to do loop and all. It's just a quite simple. If it you just use a case statement, they not give you the statement you have to loop around. There's not a logic behind that. So you can do simple. You have to use select case when you can do one thing. You can take ID as well. ID from where I want the data from employee. So you can do one thing, you can use case statement case when id equal to 1 then 1. Okay, when id equal to 2 then 2 2. You understand? Let me do the same thing for 3 4 and 5. Okay, so 3, what I want to print 3 3 3. If it is a 4, I want to print 4 times 4, right? That's the pattern. 5 1 2 3 4 5. I will do int as result. Let me run that. So I know if some people confuse with the looping concept. So if it is question is quite simple, just give the output with a case statement. If you want to do the logic, if you have any answer, suppose I use case, I make a simpler of the your result set because I don't have much time to do looping because in the interview you have very less time to convey your answer. Okay, so I this is answer for me, and if you think you have better answers and if you think you can have better approach to give the answers, so please do let me know. So in this session what we covered, we have covered joins, querying data, case statement and your match schedule query. So this is for me, and I hope you like my video. For query wise I have created this video. This may came across in your interview in SQL level. So if you think this is a useful, just share with your friends and watch till the end. And if you like this video, please hit the bell icon to get updated on my latest videos. Please subscribe my channel so I can see all motivation I get to create those more such videos. And in this channel you will get to understand Power BI question and answer, Azure data question and answer, and SQL. So thank you for watching. Please spread your love to my channel and share as much as you can. Thank you.